Hey, what's up, guys? Pascal with ALF Boss, where we help facilities improve their compliance and improve their marketing. So today I'm just going to share with you a really quick tip that as administrators and operators, I know we are very busy people. There's always constant things coming at us, and it's hard to remember everything, right? I might be walking around the facility, I see a maintenance issue, maybe something needs some paint, a resident grabs me, they have something they need me to do, they want me to call their insurance or things like that. It could be a staff member saying, hey, I'm going to be out next Tuesday, blah, blah, blah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Or I might just be sitting at my desk, or I might be sitting at home and I come up with an idea that, hey, I need to do this, or this content would be great, right? How do I remember all this stuff, right? It's like nearly impossible, but if you can, amazing stuff comes out of it. My magic secret weapon, I'll call it, is definitely my Apple Watch. On my Apple phone, they both have the Voice Memo application in there. Now, the people on the Android team, I'm sure you probably have something of the same, but I really don't know. So what happens with my watch here, I have a thing right on the top here. I just click that button there, and let's say there's a wall that needs paint by the kitchen. It looks really bad. Let's take care of that. I leave memos all day. All day long, I leave memos. Now, the key to making all this work, though, is it won't work if you don't set a reminder for yourself or a habit that either before you start your day or when you end your day that you go through on your voice memo, listen to them, add them to do list or take actions or whatever you need to do, and then delete them so the next day it's clear. For example, we just did this one right here, right? Let's see what we got here. Play. And let's say there's a wall that needs paint by the kitchen. It looks really bad. Let's take care of that. That's the voice memo I left myself. I would go ahead and let the maintenance guy know. I'd put it on the to-do list, whatever. And now I know it's going to get done. This makes me much more productive. A lot of times I'll listen to stuff like, oh my God, I totally forgot about that. Or I'll add an idea to this. I'm like, oh my God, damn, it's a good idea, but I totally forgot about it. Now I'm really going to put it into action. So just a little tip, guys, to make your lives a little easier while you're operating this facility. If you don't have an iPhone, it's okay. An iWatch, the app is on your iPhone. It's under voice memos. Just put it on your home screen, make it a little easier for yourself. And that's it. That's my tip of the day, everybody. Have a great one, and let's be more productive.